Habits that will make you rich. Welcome back to another video. Today, it's all about money. If you want to watch more videos on self-improvement like this, tap the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever we post. Now, let's begin, shall we? 1. What you spend should be lower than what you earn. This is a very key habit for anyone who wants to get rich. You need to significantly lower the amount of money you spend so that you can increase your savings, which can be invested. Living above your means will make you more poorer. As it is said, practice makes perfect. You can start reducing what you spend little by little and increasing it continuously. 2. Define your financial goals. When you have established goals, they will help you track your performance and help you determine ways of achieving them. For example, if one of your goals is to buy a car, you will focus on saving as much money as you can to ensure you accomplish your goal. Once you complete one, you can then move on to the next one. 3. Start investing your money. Investing your money will ensure it grows. This is a much wiser money decision than holding your money in a saving account. 4. Close all your money leaks. Identify where your money goes or where and how you spend it. This will help you to see clearly areas where you use your money on unnecessary purchases. They may appear small and irrelevant, but once you add them up, you realize that they form a large percentage of your income. Most of these money leaks are not budgeted for, so in reality, they're purchases you don't need. Another loophole is when you go above your budget and use extra money, which you could have saved on buying an item. Keeping to your budget strictly will help you close these leaks. 5. Avoid peer pressure. Do not allow the pressure from your friends, family, colleagues, and anyone for that matter to hold you back from your journey of making money. Most people around you may not buy into your vision and are likely to discourage you from starting any venture that will give you some earnings. Sometimes you have to follow your heart and listen to your inner voice when making decisions. On the other hand, do not be driven by a competitive desire that wants to put you on the same level as your peers. A good example is when you see your friend driving a big expensive car. You feel inadequate and want to quickly get one of your own. This can lead you to making the wrong money decisions, like borrowing to buy a depreciating machine, which may not be a good thing. Take your journey guided by your resources, as no two people are the same. So long as you've defined your goals well, follow them without being sidetracked. It's better to drive a small car as you build your wealth instead of driving a big car with a huge bank loan. You don't have to keep up with anyone but yourself on this journey. Thank you guys so much for watching. And before you go, please remember to subscribe to the channel right now and leave a like for that YouTube algorithm. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.